Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a ClickBank account. First, navigate to the official ClickBank website. Look for the Sign Up button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage, and click it to start the registration process. You will then be prompted to enter your personal details, including your country, first name, last name, phone number, and a valid email address. Ensure you create a robust password, adhering to all security guidelines provided. Next, you will need to provide your complete residential address, including your street, city, state, and postal code. After that, select your preferred language for navigating the ClickBank platform. Crucially, you must choose your primary role, whether you intend to be an affiliate promoting products or a vendor selling your own. Finally, input your banking details accurately to ensure smooth and timely payment processing for your earnings. Now, you will create a unique account nickname, which serves as your primary username on the platform. This nickname is essential for identifying your account. It is vital to carefully read and fully understand the ClickBank client contract and the comprehensive terms of service. Once you are satisfied, check the box to confirm your agreement with all stated terms and conditions. Take a moment to review all the information you have entered for accuracy. To finalize your registration, simply click the Join ClickBank button. An important next step is to verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once verified, you can log into your brand new account using your chosen nickname and password. With your account active, you are now ready to explore the vast ClickBank marketplace, where you can discover numerous products to promote as an affiliate or list your own as a vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.